Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a WordPress theme for your website. First, you will need to select a theme that fits your site's purpose and brand. You can find thousands of free options in the WordPress theme directory or explore premium themes from various marketplaces. Once you have your theme, simply upload and activate it through your WordPress dashboard. This initial step is crucial for establishing your website's foundational look and feel. After activating your theme, the next step is to personalize its appearance. The WordPress Customizer is your primary tool for this, offering a live preview of all your adjustments. You can effortlessly modify elements like your site's color scheme, typography, and header image. Experiment with different layout options and widget areas to create a unique design that truly reflects your vision. To extend your theme's capabilities beyond its default settings, explore its dedicated options panel. Many themes offer extensive built-in customization. For additional features, such as contact forms or e-commerce functionality, integrate well-chosen plugins. Page Builder plugins, for instance, provide intuitive drag-and-drop interfaces for complex layouts. Always verify that any new plugin works seamlessly with your active theme. Maintaining your WordPress theme is vital for a secure and efficient website. Always keep your theme, WordPress core, and all plugins updated to their latest versions. If you plan to make custom code changes, use a child theme to protect your modifications during updates. Additionally, optimize your images and content for quick loading times and perform consistent backups of your entire site.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.